To make this mask, take 1/2 banana, cut it into cubes, and smash it to a smooth fine paste. Now, take 1 teaspoon of milk, and 2 teaspoons of banana paste. Mix them together until smooth paste is formed. Gently apply it onto your face and neck with help of a brush, leave it for about 15 minutes. Then wash off with cool water. Do this daily for fresh, radiant and younger looking skin. Bananas contain super wrinkle fighting nutrients that helps fade age spots and prevent fine lines and wrinkles from forming. You will immediately feel the difference as your face will feel soft and well hydrated. You will get soft and supple skin instantly. You can apply the mask onto your acne to reduce inflammation and destroy bacteria. Whether it's acne scars, tiny moles, age spots, or just dark spots that make your face dull, you can reduce them and even out general skin discolorations by applying mashed banana onto your face daily. Containing anti-aging and antioxidant properties, a face mask will gently nourish, cleanse, exfoliate and moisturize your skin. Banana contains generous amount of vitamin C that helps in maintaining the natural and youthful glow of the skin. It not only helps to get rid of dead skin but also leaves it feeling rejuvenated. This mask will help you even out skin discoloration, smoothen out your skin. If you've got oily skin, use a simple banana face mask with lemon juice. Banana is a great exfoliator which helps shed off excess sebum on skin surface. It also contains moisture, potassium, and vitamins E and C, which all promote clear glowing skin. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.